Okay, this video is to help explain the addition process that happens within the tens when we are doing single by double digit multiplication. In this problem, we have 5 times 24. You touch the sign, see its times, follow the line, and this is where we begin. So begin with the problem 5 times 4. And if we do this with popsicle sticks, we can say, of course, 5 times 4 or 4 times 5, which is a little easier. So then we see our 4 5s, right? 5, 10, 15, 20. So we know if we add up all these 5s, this becomes 20, which is 2 10s. So we're going to have 0 1s. Give our marker work. So we're going to have 0 1s, and we're going to have 2 10s. So I'm going to do this in real time. I'm going to imagine that we bundled those two 5s to make 1 10. We bundled these two 5s to make another 10. So I'm going to bring over those 2 10s. Then I'm going to do 2 times 5, all right? And 2 times 5, we know, is 10. So that's going to be 10 10s, right? So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so we'll also do that as 2 times 5, again, rather than 5 times do, just to make it a little easier. So I'll do, here is one group of 5 10s and another group of 5 10s. And so what do we know about that? We know when we get to 10 10s, that's actually 100, okay? But we also know, so that is 100 and then 10, 20. So if we think about this, we go 2 times 5 is 10, and then we have to add, so we have 10 10s, and then we go 11 10s, 12 10s. So when we bring that down here, we're going to go 1 over here in the hundreds column, because 10 10s make us 100, and then 2 here in the tens column, because that's how many tens we have. Or 10, 11, 12. So we're just counting these on as 1 and then 2 more tens. So that's how it works with this problem, so which gives us the answer of 120. So I'm going to go on to this problem. Okay, so we have the problem 5 times 37. I'm going to put our times sign in there. Again, touch the sign, follow the line. This is where we begin. 5 times 7. Okay, we know that 5 times 7, we can count up 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 35. It's 35. Okay, so 35 is made of 30 and 5. So we have 5 1s, right? And 3 10s. So we got our 5 down here, and we're going to carry our 3 10s that we just made from 35, right? So we're bringing our 10s, our 3 10s over here. So we're done with our 1s. Now we're going to do 5 times 3. 5 times 3, we're doing 5 times 3 10s, so, or 3 times 5 10s, okay? So we're going to do 10s. So I have it set up over here, all right? Here is one group of 5 10s, another group of 5 10s, and I did 3. It's 3 times 5, and another group of 5 10s. So I have 5, 10, 15. 3 times 5 is 15. But then we need to add in these 10s that we also brought over. So it's 15, 16, 17, 18, or 15 plus 16, 17, 18. Okay, so once again, these two groups of 5 10s in that 18, that's actually 100 that we made. We made 100 and an 80. So it becomes 100 and 85 or 18 10s. So that's why we're just counting these on by right? We had 15, 16, 17, 18, because we're already working with how many 10s we had. So I hope this helps when we're adding in those tens to how many tens we already made through multiplying. All right, guys, see you later.